Hello everyone. Rosemary is rich in nutrients that are extremely important for the health of the organism, and its healing properties are strongest when used in the form of tea. Rosemary leaves are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6 and B12, biotin, as well as vitamin C, D, E and K. Detoxification of the organism. This plant is considered one of the strongest antioxidants, especially when consumed in combination with turmeric. Prevention of cancer. It is also recommended as a form of prevention of breast cancer, colon cancer, as well as skin cancer. Brain health. This plant is especially important for maintaining brain health because it successfully prevents the weakening of brain functions. Soothes stomach and headaches. Rosemary is also good as a remedy for stomach problems, cramps, nervous bowel syndrome, painful menstrual cycles, as well as to relieve headaches. Anti-inflammatory effect. During the period of cold or flu, rosemary, due to its anti-inflammatory effects, is recommended for the protection and treatment of respiratory organs and sore throats. Fighting stress. Rosemary tea is an excellent ally in the fight against stress because it successfully lowers the level of cortisol, stress hormone, in the body, regulates blood pressure and circulation. If you have problems with blood pressure, anemia or poor circulation, 1 cup of rosemary tea a day is enough to feel relief after a few months. A weight loss diet companion. Rosemary tea improves digestion and encourages the utilization of the most important ingredients in food. Therefore, it is recommended as an indispensable companion in the period of fasting or rigorous diets for weight loss. Prevents hair loss. If you have alopecia, that is, you lose hair on certain parts of the head, or your hair is simply thinning, a massage of the scalp with rosemary oil or rinsing with tea from this plant can help. If you want to prepare a pleasant, healthy and refreshing drink, rosemary tea is the right choice. It is necessary to pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of this plant with 2 deciliters of cold water and cook until it boils. Then cover and let stand for about half an hour. You can drink rosemary tea prepared this way 2 to 3 times a day, depending on the needs and results you want to achieve. Safety precautions. Despite its many health benefits, rosemary tea should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Thanks for watching.